Ashama akkam jirtu. Hello, how are you doing? In this lesson, we will learn how to pronounce animals' name with their respective Afaan Oromoo translation. Let's start by domestic animals. Beeyladoota domestic animals. Adurree cat. Saree dog. Sa'a cow. Sangaa ox. Lukkuu kormaa chicken. Re'ee goat. Hoolaa sheep. Farda horse. Harree donkey. Gaala camel. Booyyee pig. Bineensota wild animals. Arba elephant. Harree diidaa zebra. Leenca lion. Waraabessa hyena. Qurxummii fish. Biirbulgo bear. Qocaa turtle. Gaararraa cameloon. Hamaaqexa cheetah. Naacha Crocodile. Joobira yookiin rumicha eagle. Daakiyyee duck. Jeedala Fox. Raacha Frog. Satawwaa giraffe. Gorillaa. Roobii bishaan keessaa hippopotamus. Kaangaaroo Kangaroo. Qamalee monkey. Guchii Ostrich. Bofa Snake. Hantuuta rat. Qeerransa tiger. ILLEETTII Rabbit. Sharariitii spider. Cilaalluu snail. Ilbiisa insects. Tiisisa housefly. Mixii yookaan Goondaa Ant. Kanniisa bee. For any question regarding our lesson, please text us on our Gmail account kakuucollective@gmail.com. Also, follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Kakuu Official. Thanks. Galatooma.